In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Gmail password. We'll use your web browser's built-in password manager to locate a Gmail password that was previously saved on a device you control. This is only for your own accounts and your own devices, and you may be asked to verify your identity by your computer before anything is revealed. Start by opening your web browser. This process works similarly in popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, and others. Make sure you're using the same browser and profile where you originally chose to save your Gmail login. Next, open the browser's main menu by clicking the three dots in the upper right corner of the window. Depending on the browser, this menu might look like three vertical dots or lines, but it serves the same purpose. It's where settings and tools are located. From that menu, go to the section labeled Passwords and Autofill. In some browsers, it might appear as Autofill or be found under a Profiles or Settings area. This is where the browser stores things like saved addresses, payment info, and most importantly, passwords you told it to remember. Now, open the Password Manager. This will display a list of websites and accounts that are saved in the browser. At this point, many systems will ask you to authenticate with your computer password, PIN, or biometrics. That step is normal and protects your information, so complete it to continue. Use the search bar inside the Password Manager and type Gmail or Google. Gmail passwords are often saved under addresses like accounts.google.com, mail.google.com, or google.com. If you see multiple Google entries, check each one to find the login tied to your Gmail address. Matching the correct username or email shown next to the entry will help you pick the right one. When you find the correct entry, select it and click the option to reveal the password, usually shown as an eye icon. Your device may prompt you again to confirm your identity before revealing the characters. Once you can see it, copy it carefully and keep it private. Avoid reading it aloud or showing it on screen, and clear your clipboard afterward if you're on a shared device. If you don't see a saved Gmail password here, it likely wasn't saved on this browser or profile. Try the device and browser you normally use for Gmail, or proceed through Google's official account recovery to reset it securely. That's it. You've used your browser's password manager to find a saved Gmail password safely and responsibly.